Good stuff. Okay, thank you. Thank you all for joining us tonight on this training session. Thank you very much for the time that you are setting aside and, just for us to be able to go through a couple of things that, I had a couple of questions this week. I thought I'll just deal with some of those questions and then also just go through a couple of things because we are starting to really take some good shape now with regards to, where is One For Me? What is One For Me doing? Um, what is our mission statement and in what direction are we going? But just by way of introduction, quickly for those who do not know me, my name is Neil Slater. I'm the founder and developer of One For Me. I'm a software engineer. I love building systems. I've always had a very keen interest in building. Yes, thank you. Let me just quickly mute that. Good evening, good evening, good evening. So, I've always had a keen interest in building systems and programming technology. I'm a technologist. I love it. I love cutting edge technology. I love looking at what is the latest, and all of that. So, I've taken all of that experience plus my 25 plus years in network marketing, and I have built One For Me. I started building the actual system of One For Me in 2022. That was when I started building it. And I launched 1st October. So we're just over a month old. And just give me a second. Just give me a second quickly. My goodness, that was crazy. So we are just over a month old now. And yeah, things are rocking and rolling. Before we launched, we had a pre-launch phase. From our pre-launch phase up until our launch, and about 3 weeks into our launch, we had over 1,500 registered business pages launched, and that was incredible. That was awesome, and it set us on a good course going forward. I'm an entrepreneur. I love the industry. I love working with entrepreneurs. If I could, I would be involved in every single network marketing company just because I love the concept. I love the concept of people helping people, duplication and leverage. If you understand those things, then you will become successful in network marketing. Okay, so let me quickly go into One For Me. I want to dive into the a little bit of nitty-gritty. What is One For Me? And this is, I think I'm kind of adopting this as our mission statement. One For Me helps you turn your name into a brand. That is very important, is because one thing that I've realized in the network marketing industry is that not everybody understands what a brand is and how to become their brand. Okay, because in network marketing, people don't buy just because, and they don't join network marketing companies just because. They buy from people they know, like, and trust, and they'll only buy from people they know, like, and trust. And so a brand is what helps you build those three principles. If you can recognize your brand, you can build and develop your brand, people will start resonating with you, and then they will buy from you because there are things about your brand they know, like, and trust. And that is how you will get people in there. So One For Me helps you to build that, to recognize that brand, and to start building it. And then package your entrepreneurial efforts into one streamlined system, bringing everything you do together under a single unified brand and turning that same effort into multiple streams of income. The buzzword lately in the network marketing industry is multiple streams of income. It is being able to take products that resonate with each other, place them in your basket, and then you offer that as a package to people who want to build a residual income stream. people who want to get into the entrepreneurial space, the network marketing space. If you look at what's going out in the world and what AI is doing, it is remarkable, but it's also scary at the same time. Amazon just signed off 14,000 plus, and they're talking about another 14, 15,000. That's 30,000 people working for Amazon that is in the process of losing their jobs. And so people are more and more looking at, wow, I need to do something about this. Because if I don't, I'm going to find myself without a job. I'm going to find myself without work. And so the network marketing industry space is booming. It is just growing. It's crazy. It's awesome. And so, but if you can just take a network marketing company, maybe 2 or 3, and you can package them because they align with each other, your efforts are multiplied. Because now if you can get people interested, you go and you say, okay, but I'm going to explain that a little bit later. Let's carry on. It's a simple, powerful way to build your presence. Connect with people and grow smarter, not harder. And as a leader, it creates unity, duplication within your team, helping everybody stay consistent and move forward together. In a nutshell, that is One For Me. That is what One For Me stands for. That is our ethos. That is what we do. And that is how we want to help people. Okay, so we take One For Me and you just latch it on to whatever you're busy doing, and you are busy creating a multiple stream of income with not more effort, but now you are just working the whole system smarter, not harder. That is the idea. Okay, so a question that I want to answer quickly is, we now have the new registration fees, and then we have, the pro version. Where do we pay? What do we pay? When do we pay 240? When do we pay 600? When do we pay 150? So people seem to be a little bit confused with regards to when do we pay? What do we pay? So first of all, if you were on the system before, so during the launch, the pre-launch and the launch phase, we had a space there where we gave the system away for free, where we enabled people to log on, to register, and start using the system for free. That was a very, very important phase. It helped us see things where we need to change and where we need to grow, where we need to do things. Okay? That was important. And we did that up until we reached the point where we started implementing the license activation, the registration fee. Okay, so now the system is on the path where we have the registration fee. The registration fee is 600 Rand once off. And that's it. It is a lifetime license fee that you're paying. So it's lifetime. It's forever. You only pay once off. However, as we introduce the registration fee, up until the end of this year, we are going to have a 75% discount where we're going to give people the opportunity to come in at a discounted rate. Just today, I had a guy who's interested in registering, and he said he had heard about the system before. He didn't. Now he's interested. Now he needs to pay the 150 where he could have come in free. But now we've got another window of opportunity. Before we go up to the 600, which is the actual license fee, people have an opportunity to come in at a 75% discount. Take it or leave it. But there we go. We have that window of opportunity now. So up until the end of 2025, December, next month, the end of next month, you'll be able to register One For Me page for 150 Rand. Okay, so everybody who registers now pays that 150 Rand until the end of the year. With that 150 Rand, we pay a referral bonus to the person who that person has registered under. If you're a non-pro user, you get a 60 Rand referral bonus. If you're a pro user, there's a little bit of an advantage. There's always an advantage for pro users. If you are a pro user, it is an 80 Rand referral bonus that you'll be getting once off. As that person pays their registration fee, you get paid a referral bonus. Okay, so that is a little bit with regards to that. Now, where does the 240 come in? Now, you don't have to. You know, I had a lady ask me this week, okay, so now if I'm in and I've paid my 150, when do I start paying my 240 Rand as a pro? I said, it is optional. It's not something you have to do. You can choose whether you want to stay as a normal registered user, earn 60 Rand for every person that registers underneath you, or you can move up to a pro user. It is your choice. It is optional. The pro users pay 240 Rand a monthly subscription. That gives them the opportunity for some other pro features in the system, but also to plug into the networked compensation plan. Okay, so now you have an opportunity to qualify, earn your ranks, and as you earn your ranks, you can unlock the levels all the way and earn 10 levels deep. The new registration once-off referral bonus is a quick way just to get people in and to get some money going. Okay? If you don't have any money, if you don't have anything and you struggling and you just want to get started, the registration, just register now. You will get a 75% discount and it'll cost 150 Rand. You're in. You don't have to pay anything more. Nothing more. And it's a lifetime registration. So even when we go up to 600 Rand and the promotion ends, you're in. You've got it for always. And you can earn 60 Rand for every single person that registers underneath your username. Okay. Then you can go pro if you decide to. The registration fee is quick. The pro upgrade, that is more a long-term residual income that you build. That pays out monthly. The once-off registration pays out weekly. So you will get paid on a weekly basis. The pros get paid out on a monthly basis. That's the two cycles. The one cycle is a weekly cycle. The other cycle is a monthly cycle. Okay, so that is how those things work. If there are any questions, please put them in the chat or then just ask me afterwards. We will handle all of those. So I hope that answers a little bit of questions with regards to, the registration coming in and then the pro upgrade as well. Okay, let's move on to something now that is also very exciting. And that is, what does One4Me actually offer? If you really think about it, if you think about what's happening in the network marketing industry now, it is those who can learn how to build a portfolio of income generating products and then offer those products to people who want to build an income portfolio, okay, a business as an entrepreneur in the network marketing space. So now what One4Me offers is it offers the opportunity to take what you've got. So wherever you are, it doesn't matter, whatever network marketing business or company you are busy running with at the moment, what we're saying is, and what we are teaching people is, take One4Me, add it to your basket of products because your business is an income generating product. You refer that product to others and it generates an income to you. One4Me is an income generating product, but it's not just a product that stands alone. It is attached. It is used with your business to showcase your business, to brand your business. You understand how powerful that is. You understand how incredible, what an incredible asset that can be to your business. So you can go to people and you can say, listen, yeah, I now am starting a business where I am generating multiple streams of income with products that align with each other. Are you interested in making a little bit more of extra money? Okay, because the world is struggling. People are struggling out there. We go from, hand to mouth every single day, every single week. So we need to find ways how we can build and generate income. So you've all started a company, you're all busy with a company, whether that be Live Good, Kai Connect, Herbalife, Affiliate Mentor, whatever. You know, Bitcoin wise, you started that so that you can start generating an income. Some of you do a couple of those. So what I'm saying is focus on two or three, maybe four at the most. But as long as those products align with each other, if those products align with each other, then you can approach anybody and you can say, hey, listen here, how about making a little bit of extra money? I'm busy with the process, I'm busy with a business plan, and I've got a proposition for you. We can start wherever you are. What have you got? Have you got 150 Rand? I can help you get started with 150 Rand. Everybody needs extra money. Everybody. And here we have a tool, here we have an opportunity that we can give people, we can put it in their hands. We can say, here we go, take it, run with it. Okay, I think I've spoken about a couple of these things now. So let me just see. Bring what you have. What you also can say is you can say, okay, what have you got? What network marketing company are you with? You know, if they are already affiliated with the network marketing company, then now, because of One For Me, you can still network with that person because now you can say, awesome, that is cool. Have you heard of One For Me? I use it to run my business. I use it to build my brand, and it is an income generating product. So you add it to your basket of products that you already have, and then you can start building an additional stream of income. Because, my brother, that is what we need. We need to build additional streams of income. If you don't, you're going to be left behind. We're going to have to focus on taking products that align. Now, the beauty about One For Me is it can be attached to any network marketing business out there. It does not contradict or compete against any other network marketing company out there. So literally, you can go to any. What I suggest though is that you look at which network marketing companies we already have as templates. Because if you can take a company where we already have a template, you can get that person going within 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes of registration to that person having a professional looking business page that person can use online, 5, 6, 7 minutes at the most. Add a photo, add a bio, go and select your network marketing company, put in your referral link, load the template. And there we go. Wang Pangalang, Pop's your uncle. They're on their way going and they have a product. Not just do they have a professional online presence, but now they have added a product and a tool to their basket that is an income generating tool. So whoever they refer it to, whether they are a pro or a non-pro user, doesn't matter. Everybody now with a One For Me page can generate an income. Everybody. So like I said, meet them where they are at. Ask them, what can you spend right now? Because you cannot spend money without starting a business. You cannot. Even if you are a check 60/60 delivery person, you have to maintain your bike. You have to put in fuel. That costs money. There is a cost to it. There's always a cost to starting a business. You have to. You don't have a choice. So where are you at? What can you put out right now? And then maybe eventually what you want to do is you want the person to adopt the basket that you have. Start wherever. If they don't have any or they're not affiliated with any network marketing company, just get them, start them where they're at, start them as cheap as what you can, and then build them up. What you want to do is you want to connect. You want to create a connection. Now, One For Me is an incredibly powerful tool that can help you build a connection. connect with everybody and let them use one for me. Okay, like I said, decide on 2 or 3 products, not too many, that complement each other. They work in line. Remember, if you have any questions, feel free to ask and we can go through that. And I've also mentioned that already. One for me can add to any existing network marketing company that is out there at the moment. That's one for me. One for me can take and it can connect you with any company. These are the basket of companies that we have at the moment as templates. So if you are affiliated with any one of these companies, then it is easy for you to get started with others, to connect with others. You know, if they're with Live Good, Affiliate Mentor, Kaya Connect, Herbalife, Icon Kids, Legacy, Builder Program, Save Club, Bitcoin Wise, or DewPoint, you can tell them, listen here, I have a income generating product that you can attach to whatever you are doing. Don't change. Don't, let's not compete. Let's build and let's focus. And instead of working harder, let's work smarter. Every connection now can start generating an income. Okay, so I'm going to take it up until there.